Focaccia. It's a bread that embodies rustic simplicity. With its dimpled surface, golden crust, and aroma of herbs, focaccia welcomes you in. It's a blank canvas for flavor, begging for a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Today, we embark on a journey to create our own masterpiece. Focaccia is about more than just following a recipe. It's about feeling the dough come alive in your hands. It's about the joy of baking something beautiful and delicious. So let's gather our ingredients and begin. Before we start, let's gather our ingredients. Having everything measured out will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. For this recipe, you will need 4 cups or 500 grams of strong bread flour, plus extra for dusting, 2 teaspoons or 10 grams of fine sea salt, 1 teaspoon or 3 grams of active dry yeast, 1½ cups or 355 milliliters of lukewarm water, a quarter cup or 60 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil, plus extra for greasing and drizzling, 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh rosemary leaves, chopped, and 1 tablespoon of flaky sea salt for sprinkling. In a large bowl, combine the flour and salt. Make a well in the center and add the yeast. Pour the lukewarm water over the yeast and let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Add the olive oil to the bowl. Using your hands, gradually bring the flour mixture into the center, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes. Shape the dough into a ball and place it in a greased bowl. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel and let the dough rise in a warm place for 1 to 1½ hours or until doubled in size. Now, punch down the dough to release the air. Transfer it to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Gently stretch the dough to fit the baking sheet, using your fingers to create dimples all over the surface. Drizzle the focaccia generously with olive oil, pressing the rosemary into the dimples. Sprinkle with flaky sea salt. Let the focaccia rest for another 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. Bake the focaccia for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. Let it cool slightly before slicing and serving. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes and baking adventures.